Everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Kylie. Thank you so much for being here. If you've been here before, seen some of my previous tutorials, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be taking you all through a detailed tutorial on how to do a dive roll. If anything, keep in mind that this movement took me a while to really understand and really feel comfortable doing. So I would say be patient with yourself, work on it little bits at a time, and over time your body will build up that muscle memory. So make sure you're wearing some clothing that covers the skin, and yeah, let's get started. Start by practicing rolling over your hand. Be sure to land on an outstretched hand going through your fingers first. Practice then transferring weight down the outside fleshy surface of your arm to your shoulder. Visualize the path from your shoulder to your hip. It is a diagonal pathway. Put one foot in front of the other and take off from a spiral stance. In this type of roll, we are not taking off from a square stance. Be sure to round out your back and tuck your chin all the way to your chest. Alright everyone, there you have it. Those are my tips and tricks and methods for learning the dive roll. Hopefully you enjoyed, and let me know down below in the comments how this is going for you, and feel free to let me know any other floor work movements you'd like a tutorial for or a breakdown for. It would mean the world to me if you would hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend if you found it helpful. Hopefully we will see you next time in another video. Have a great day everyone.